look at this nice lot of goodies that I've just got from SuperDrug. High-tech skincare at high street prices. Well, we all need that, don't we? Let's have a read and see what it says actually. Optimum is SuperDrug's high-tech skincare range, which uses technology and science to deliver cutting-edge products at a high street price. The collection has been developed to harness the power of some of the world's most innovative and effective ingredients and offers outstanding value. Everything in the Optimum range is cruelty-free and 100% vegan. Sounds good to me. And let's have a little look. Wow, I think I've got skincare covered, ladies. There's a lot. There's a lot. What we got? Instant anti-wrinkle Swiss ice wine face and neck cream. Always need a good neck cream, me, because I was naughty and didn't use it when I was younger. So I have a pretty good. Do have wrinkles, but it's not too bad. But my neck is terrible. Right. Anti-skin stress 4 o'clock flower sleepy skin booster oil. I haven't tried any of these yet, but I'm sure there's going to be a blog post. I guess I'll use these for a while and see how they go. Anti-fatigue 3-in-1 moisture balm, primer and mask. Just getting into the mask thing actually, so I look forward to trying that. I've never really used a lot of face masks. My skin's quite sensitive, and I've always just been a little bit wary, but I am going to start trying them. This looks interesting. Multi-protecting serum. Helps to fortify skin's resilience to extreme environmental stresses. Well, I definitely need that in London. What's this one? Midnight Moisture Mask. Firms, brightens, anti-wrinkle. Be interesting to see what the prices of these are actually. I haven't looked them up yet, so, but I will do obviously. I know SuperDrug, that's interesting. They're quite reasonable. Oh, it's not Vaseline, it's nice. Smell it. Oh, it smells like flowers, lovely. I wonder what you can use that on. Optimum Cytocalm, don't know how to pronounce that, sorry. 4 o'clock flower, bedtime cleansing balm. Cleanses, nourishes and moisturises. Interesting. So that's it. I think I've got a little bit to be trying out for a while anyway. Thank you, SuperDrug. Thank you very much.